Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Disney Plus. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Disney Plus and you will click in this application. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. As you see here, you will enter to storage, and after that you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store, then you will update your app on Play Store to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.